Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. And for everybody that is new, welcome. We are an unboxing channel here. We do mainly, well, I don't want to say mainly because I am trying to do different things, but we do a lot of subscription unboxings for makeup beauty boxes. And I'm trying to branch out and do other things as well to just, keep the channel busy throughout the month. However, today we are here for our Ipsy Glam Plus of what is this month? I'm drawing a blank. It is September. It's my son's birthday month. I should never draw a blank on that. So yes, this is September, Ipsy Glam Plus 2019. This is a $25 a month box, and they have just upped their game, which I got the first box coming to me next month for October, and it is a $50 box. I don't know how, what I'm going to keep, and if I'll keep this one, if I'll keep the $50 one. I'm definitely keeping the $10 glam bag that comes every month, but it'll be between this one or the $50 one. I guess we'll find out next month what the $50 bag involves. However, let's go ahead and get into this one because I'm super excited for it, as always. I love these boxes. They always have such good stuff in them ever since the very beginning. I mean, these have been awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. And it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. That is there every month. That doesn't change. I have seen a change on these. They went from blue to yellow. I don't know if that means anything, but when you open it up, you have a card and some products. Okay. I am seeing a product in here that I just literally bought. So I'm a little like, okay. All right. So our theme this month is Find Your Light. It says September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Hashtag discover yourself. And then it has a little bit about the products in there. And then it says, okay, then it tells you about that bag that I was just telling you about on the back, I believe. Oh, no, it's just talking about the add-ons. And it does say something about the ultimate. But yeah, it just tells you about your add-ons. My add-ons, I believe I put on my, yeah, they're not in here. I put them on my glam bag. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm seeing that I just bought is this. And it is the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I guess I don't have it down there right now. I had the box put aside somewhere from this. I do know where I have it. But I definitely just bought this product. So I'm a little like, oh well. Can't ever have enough of this. I loved the last Glam Glow that they sent us. So when I seen this, I actually seen this in Marshall's. And I got it, I think, for $24.99 or maybe $16.99, something like that. It was in between, I want to say in between $16 and $25 that I bought this for. So anyway, it says, formulated with an ultra refreshing Teoxy green tea leaf. I'm sorry, I just worked all day. Although I can't read anyway, and I can't talk anyway, but after working a long day, coming home trying to do this, of course I can't read anything. Am I holding that right? Goji berries and Aki. I don't know how to say that. ACAI. I know it's a berry. Anyway, this exfoliating cleanser gently buffs away dull skin cells to reveal a refined glowing complexion. And it is valued at $34. Now, like I said, I did not pay $34 for this. I got it at Marshall's. And I have used it once. It does have little micro beads in it. And it's very nice. It smells good. It's definitely a nice next step from the cleanser that they gave us. I want to say like 3 months ago. Because I'm close to, no, maybe 2 months. I'm close to being done with the other one. And I also got a black one, which is like a jelly cleanser. Because that was at Marshall's too. Anyway, enough about this. I love Glam Glow. I collect it, so I'm not salty about it. I mean, I'm a little salty because I just bought it. Could have saved money. But I'm not salty because I definitely will use it up. All right. So the next item that I see is from Wander Beauty. No surprise, Wander Beauty is in a lot of our beauty boxes now. And it is Fame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil, which, okay, not knocking this because I can always use a good brow pencil. This is in taupe and it is valued at $21. And it says, founded by a jet-setting mother and supermodel duo, this team crafts low-fuss formulas that deliver high-impact looks. This brow-boosting tool with an ultra-precise pencil tip on one end and the spoolie on the other gives you smear-proof strokes with a natural-looking finish. So, let's see how this thing looks, if I can get it open. Okay, it is sealed everywhere. I am always down for a good brow pencil. I like the Brow Power from It Cosmetics, but I'm always down for another one, for sure. All right, so that is what it looks like when you take it out of its little box. Oh, and by the way, just to tell you, this does come in a box. I don't know why Ipsy gets rid of the boxes, or maybe they just don't get them, but this definitely comes in a little box when you purchase it elsewhere. All right, so there is the spoolie. Nice little spoolie. It's always good to have a spoolie. And then very like the brow is very fine point. And it doesn't seem too creamy right away, but it has been sitting in a box. But I don't know that I like the way that's swatching. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very scratchy. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see like the scratchiness here. It's very scratchy. I don't know. Maybe this has to warm up, but as of right now, not my favorite thing. I don't know. We'll see about that product for sure. Okay. So next I'm going to pull something that I'm super excited to see in this box. I did not expect, I mean, I expected to see one of these products, but I didn't expect to see this one because it's 3 products in one. This is from a YouTuber that I watch all the time. Congratulations, Madison. She now has her own collab with Ofra Cosmetics, and it's from Madison Miller. And this is the Miller Squad. So this is so cool. I wanted this so bad because my last name's Miller, obviously, and the palette is called Miller Squad. So super proud of her. It's awesome that she can collab with Ofra because Ofra is awesome. Why not? Anybody that dabbles in makeup knows that Ofra is, their highlighters, you can't beat them. All right, so this is valued at $35, and it is called the Ofra Cosmetics Madison Miller Squad Palette. And it says, multitaskers rejoice. This 3-piece palette collab from Ofra Cosmetics and content creator Madison Miller, a new mama, which she did just have a baby not long ago, baby Riley, is all about that to-go glow. Highly pigmented and a cinch to blend, this rosy combo of blush and highlighter creates a lit from within look in mere minutes. So I'm super excited to get into this. Packaging is awesome. And it's all Madison Miller right there. So excited to get this. And let's see. All right, so there is the packaging, just like any of the other Ofra packagings. Very cute. Has Madison's name on it. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. All right, and there are our shades, and it does come with a mirror. There is a mirror on there. There's the shades. So we have, where's the shade names? Does it say it on here? Trying to find. I know they have names because I've seen her say them several times, but I do not see anywhere on here where it tells you the names of, yeah, I don't know about that. It doesn't have anything on the back. But anyway, let's go ahead and do some swatches. This one looks like it's like coming out of the pan. Not the pan, out of the palette itself. I don't know. All right, so we're going to swatch these. and see how pigmented they are. So those are the 3 right there. Very, very cute. And then we have, there's the first one. Oh wow, that blush is very pigmented. Look at the one swipe swatches. Look at how amazing they are. Look at the shine. That's awesome. Okay, so super happy about that. Super, super, super happy about that. And it has a nice little clasp closure. Moving on to the next item is Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick. Antimatter Lipstick. Okay. And this says it's in the shade Cosmic, which is right there. I don't know if it'll focus enough for you to see that. And it says it's valued at $27. These beloved Brit purveyors, I don't know, of cruelty-free beauty know a thing or two about going bold. Great. So this is a color I'm probably not going to wear. For example, this non-drying lipstick in a cool toned mauve pink. Okay, maybe. Let's see what it looks like. I thought it was going to be red. Mauve pink swipes on with an immediate color payoff. Its vitamin E infused formula conditions lips for a creamy application. I guess it's gonna, yeah, it'll probably be that color. So if it's that color, I definitely will use it. I love, especially at this time. Oh, the packaging is awesome. Very nice, sleek, black. It's not very, very heavy, but it is very nice packaging. And then, oh yeah, this is definitely a shade I'll wear. So there's that. Doesn't really have much of a bad smell to it. Oh, it is very nice. Very creamy. There is your swatch right there. Very pretty color. Love that. Okay. Love this. It's great. So we have one more product in the box, and it is from Ciate, and it is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I've used this, and I do like it. And this is valued at $22. And it says, this ultra blendable translucent powder from formula-driven innovators, Ciate London, is finely milled magic. It glides over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish and locks your look in all day, which is truly extraordinary. So we've gotten a little tiny sample of this, and the packaging was so cute. So I wonder if this is going to be like the same as that little sample packaging. And it worked really nice. I have to rip the box because I can't get it open. I really did like it. Okay, so it is kind of the same cute packaging. It has the little bow on the top, and there's your powder. It's definitely, it's like a mattifying powder to me. It definitely mattifies you, and it is 0.52 ounces in there, and a little sifter. So I'm not going to open it all the way because I have plenty of translucent powders that I'm trying to go through right now. So I will save this for when I do need it. So let's go ahead and recap our box. First thoughts are they've definitely done better on the Glam Bag Pluses for sure. Maybe they're ramping up for next month. Could be. I don't know. I'm not saying this is a bad box by any means. I enjoy always getting these boxes, and for $25, like seriously, this to me is worth the I mean, all of it's great, so I'm not complaining. So let's recap. We have the Ciate Translucent Powder, the Miller Squad Ofra Highlight with Madison Miller, the Glam Glow Cleanser, that this is going to last forever because that other one's like lasted me super long. The Illamasqua, very pretty, definitely fall color lipstick. And the Wander Beauty brow pencil, which that I'm not too keen on. Maybe I just need to warm it up. I don't know. I'll have to look up some reviews on this to see if it's just me that's having problems with it, or I don't know. But anyway, other than that, I love all these products. Amazing. Love it. Can't beat it. I'm super happy about it. what do you guys think? Did you guys get the same thing that I got that received the Glam Plus bag? What do you think of this box? Do you think that the Wonder Beauty's a good eyebrow pencil, or have you used it, or have you heard anybody talk about it? But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Also, don't forget that I am doing my giveaway for my 200 subscriber mark, and that ends on the 30th, as long as we reach our milestone. And it's a very nice giveaway. Check that video out to see what is in the giveaway, and also to be put in the giveaway as well. So other than that, you guys, thank you so much for being here and watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And also ring that notification bell, because I'm still a small YouTuber and probably not recommending my videos. So it's really beneficial if you want to watch my videos to hit that bell. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for being here. Have a fantastic day. Bye.